In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Google Calendar 2025, step by step. Before we start, make sure you can access both your Outlook Calendar and your Google Calendar in a browser. Being signed in to the correct accounts will save you time later. First, head into Outlook. If you're on Windows, click the Windows button and open the Outlook app, or open Outlook on the web in your browser. Once Outlook is open, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon to open Settings. From there, choose Calendar to reveal calendar-specific options. Next, find Shared Calendars. In that section, look for the area labeled Publish a Calendar. You'll see a drop-down, click the arrow, and choose the specific Outlook calendar you want to add to Google. After selecting your calendar, choose the permission level. For the best results in Google Calendar, select a view that shows full details so your event names and times come through clearly. When you're ready, click Publish. Outlook will now generate two links. You'll see an HTML link and an ICS link. You want the ICS link because that's the format Google uses to subscribe to another calendar. Copy the ICS link using the provided copy button so you don't miss any characters. Now switch to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon next to it and then choose From URL. In the field that appears, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. Finally, click Add Calendar. Give it a moment to process. Your Outlook calendar should now appear under Other Calendars, and its events will show up on your Google Calendar. Keep in mind, this is a one-way subscription. You'll see Outlook events in Google, but you won't edit them from Google. Make changes in Outlook, and Google will update automatically. Sync isn't instant. Depending on the server, updates can take several minutes or longer to appear. If events don't show up, double-check that you published the correct calendar, that the permission level allows viewing details, and that you pasted the full ICS link. If your organization restricts calendar publishing, you may need admin approval. Later, you can adjust the calendar's color and visibility in Google to keep things organized. That's it. You've successfully added your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar using the ICS subscription method.